Asuntoskeittiö Jokirinne. Martinpolku 24 in Korpilahti, Jyväskylä. In 1961, modernized in 2004, it's 10204. Fifth floor. Three so 240 kilograms. I was hoping to find original Valmet-Slieren elevator from 1961, but it was just Kone elevator and also modernized already in 2004, but it doesn't matter so much because it was just Kone elevator with NPN6 fixtures, but it's still a disappointment. Inspected by Jyväskylä and maintained by Kone. Probably there are not any original Valmet elevators from 50s or Valmet-Slieren elevators with Valmet buttons in Jyväskylä that haven't been filmed. Quite many elevators have been filmed, but still I was hoping to find more, but again not. Basement. That's it.